Hey y'all, got a request for a detailed breakdown of the JackRoach Transformation. Let's see if I can do this without breaking it. Ooga! There we go. And yeah, I'm inclined to oblige, so let's look under the hood. Let's pop some stuff off here. There we go. Okay, so here's how it looks from the side. Put the stuff out of the way. So you can see a crossbar going through these two parallel lines. That's all there is to it. For a little more detail, let's get the idea of like a technic parallelogram. So you can have that and that. You get this linkage, you see the two blocks here, they're always parallel. And as long as the arrangement of the pins are equal at each end, that will continue. So we put one set of pins here, the other one there. So if you draw lines between the pins, you see it's still a parallelogram. So these two blocks at the end are staying parallel to each other. Now, with this arrangement, you can't go so far down, but you can go way back. Interesting stuff to think of for transformation sequences and getting new angles. And then you can also use techniques like this to break the parallel. Like, let's say, move the pin here. So right now we're parallel, everything's square, but as it moves, see, we're breaking out of parallel. More constrained motion, you get some weird angles, but it could be useful for making cool shapes. And you can alter that all kinds of ways by expanding the length between these, and expanding the placement here, all kinds of fun options. Now the other thing on the JackRoach, we had the inside bar, little Technic beam that connects here. So for example, I've got same piece but in red. So we've got one that just kind of hooks here-ish, and it's coming out at an angle to go down and connect to the front wheels. Now you might think that I did like some experimentation with Pythagoras to find where these holes perfectly line up. And yeah, no, I did not do anything like that. Any holes that might line up would be stressed and strained through the transformation. So you might be wondering, where did I stick a Technic pin to connect this? And I didn't. I used a bar. I don't know if it was exactly this piece, but some kind of bar going through here. So you see this gives some slop, a lot more. This thing can wiggle, giving you the tolerance for it to tilt forward. I don't know if this is the exact arrangement that I did, but the thing is, yeah, this bar has a little wiggle to it, which is fine, because that gives it the freedom to move without a perfect Technic Lego aligned arrangement. All right, hope you found that fun and helpful.